Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friend we are going to talk about guys how can we forget Bluetooth earphone to our Poco phone. Guys, you have connected guys any Bluetooth device, and friends you have connected guys this neckband Bluetooth earphone guys. You want to forget to your phone guys. You don't want to use this earphone guys. You can forget. And friends, now let's see how to forget a Bluetooth earphone to Poco phone. In this video friends we will talk about it. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like my video. So friend, first of all we will on our phone setting to forget it. After on phone setting guys, you can see this type of setting. When scroll it friends, click on your phone Bluetooth setting guys, tap here. Friends, you can see guys we have connected guys this ubon CL20 company earphone neckband earphone guys. We want to forget it. So right side guys, tap here. Friends, you can see your rename option guys, tap here. Guys, you want to rename this Bluetooth earphone device name guys, you can rename from here if you want. But guys, you can see the unpair option means forget option guys, tap here to unpair. Then it will unpair guys, you cannot use. If you use, so you will have to connect again guys this notification, then guys, it will connect in your phone guys. So we will forget like that. So guys, you can forget your Bluetooth earphone to your Poco phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.